Here are the 3 best things about this 360-degree mirror dash cam. First, it records from 4 different cameras at once, including the front, the rear, the left, and the right side, giving you nearly complete coverage around your vehicle. Second, it includes built-in Wi-Fi and app control so that you can view footage, download videos, and share recordings directly from your smartphone, and you don't even have to remove the memory card, all right? Third, it offers valuable security features like GPS tracking, parking monitoring, night vision, loop recording, and automatic emergency video locking in case of an accident. Ain't that something? So if you want more complete coverage and protection than a traditional front and rear dash cam, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace out.